All right, so I got an ATS Power 13,000-pound electric winch. It says rated line pull 13,000 pounds, 6 horsepower motor, 3-stage planetary. Gear reduction is 216 to 1. Bought this at auction. I don't know if it's any good, but we're going to put it on a trailer and see how quick it breaks. So let's go ahead and open the box up and see what's all inside. All right. It's like we got a cheap controller. We got an ATS Power with the bull crown cable. Let's see, we have a wired remote. All right, so we got normal hook. Got some mounting bolts. We got our roller fairlead. And we have our winch and rope. So, comes with a wireless remote. Got your ground, you got your wired remote control, got your hook, mounting cables, roller fairlead, and your red tag. So like I said, I bought this to put on a trailer, and we'll put it through its paces on a trailer. I haul a lot of heavy equipment, so we'll see if it works. If it don't, we'll go ahead and put a different winch on. So, all right, that's all I got. It did come with an instruction manual on where you need to how to wire it up, all that good stuff, the safety precautions. It is in English. Has a parts breakdown, how to mount it. All right. So let's go ahead and set this right here. centered right there on the top. Grab a Phillips screwdriver. Tighten these down. All right, these are color coded. You got black, yellow. Red. Right, we can go ahead and slide our boots on here. That way they're covered up. There's our red one, our black one, and our yellow one. I didn't slide the box over where it reaches. We're going to go ahead and put this yellow one on first. You notice it has the yellow connection there at the bottom, or at the back there, so you know that's where the yellow one goes. Pull the boot over. There that is. Then we do the ground, so we'll put that one on first. Then we'll put our main cable on first. Put this one in the center, and then put this cable on. Tighten it down. Slide this boot over it. We'll put our hot cable on. These boots are a pain. There's that one. I'm gonna grab a pick and get the other one on. go. And that's pretty much it. Now we just need to hook it to a battery. So disengagement is flip it up, and it should turn. That is engaged. I do like that. Let's see how it works, right? Over time. Has a three pin hookup. And then slides on real easy. So we'll see what happens once we get it on the trailer, and I'll give you a follow-up on it.